guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do another unboxing of really cool things. Remember, my name is Samantha Nicole here in the heart of El Paso, and we're gonna talk about packaging and we're gonna jump right into it. Remember to always like and thumbs up this video, share it, tell your friends, tell us who we are, and we're gonna explain why. So a lot of people, as we continue to grow our boutique and everything that is going on, it is growing and you guys love us, and I wanted to change it up for packaging, but I didn't know exactly what to do. Everybody's shipping. We're shipping all over. I keep saying that on every video because we really are, but I was like, do I spend money on packaging? Do I buy new paper? Do I put my name on a paper? Do I fold it up? And I took it to the gram and asked everyone to vote. And when they voted, I said, do you guys want new paper or new tissue paper, new packaging, or do you guys want free product? And everybody said they love all the goodies that we give, everything that we're doing. So this month, we are giving our new Oribe product. It just launched about 2 months ago with Oribe. It's called the Bright Blonde Sunning Mist, and it's for anybody who is blonde or who have highlights. You spray it on your hair and it brightens, it makes the hair like brighten when you're in the sun or when you blow dry it and you put heat in it. It just makes the in-between appointment from your hairdresser to you so much better. And I love that it's travel size. You can put it in your purse, especially right now because we're going on vacations and stuff, and you want to be using these products when you're out in the sun and you're by the pool. And it's so good to make sure that your blonde is vibrant, brighter, not gold, and it is warm. You know, remove the warm, put some stuff in it and make it look great. So, and next we have the Oribe Power Drops. I just love the way Oribe also gives everything to us so organized. And these are the Power Drops. We haven't had this one in a while, and we're giving out, this is like a regular amazing product, and this is really good for people again that are in the sun. It's gonna make your hair feel stronger. They're super cute and dainty, and it's just, you know, I always say Oribe is like the Lancome of me growing up. Growing up, my mom used to put Lancome on her face and Estee Lauder, and she would just used to invest in a lot of stuff for her face. And with Oribe, it is the same for your hair. I feel like this product is such a good investment for your hair. And you know, it's just, they have so many body products and everything. I just love them so much. They've been a partner with Your New Image for about 3 years now, and I love them. I love that they come up with these really cute ideas. And we're gonna just put these in your guys' bags now. So if you guys purchase anything, our boutique stuff, our shampoo and a conditioner, if we're shipping to you, if you're picking up, if you're delivering, we're gonna throw this in your bags. And we're gonna say thank you for always choosing Your New Image. And please remember to always tag us with your new outfits, your new looks. And I will see you guys next time here on YouTube. Remember to always like this video, thumbs up, and I hope you guys love the new stuff that we're putting for packaging inside your bags, and we will see you guys so soon.